What's up everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm just going to give you a quick update on my Tradeify account. So it's been around 9 days since I posted my previous video, and now I am going to do another withdrawal live with you guys on this video. So let's go ahead and take a look at Tradeify. Basically I went with the straight to funded 150k accounts over here, and I picked up 5 of them. It says 129 one-time fee, but if you do use their discount, if you apply my discount code GST, I think right now is around 30% off. So these are the accounts I went with, and then if we go into my dashboard, you can see I am ready for another withdrawal. So basically they reduced the 10 days trading to 7 days, so I was able to reach my profit target around 8 days. So here is the new profit target. The first profit target was around 9k, and then the second profit target I have to make 4,500. So 7 trading days, I did 8. Consistency rule 20%, so I'm below that. Now I am ready for another withdrawal. So if you click on learn more, you can see what the consistency rule means and how to calculate this, and also it shows you the amount you have to reach to get under 20%, which is really nice. All right, so now I'm ready for withdrawal. I am just going to go over to my payout request section and then request these payout on these 5 accounts. So the max I can take out is 3k. So let's go ahead and put that in, request payout. So this is 1 account, 2 account, 3, 4, and there you go, 5. So 15,000, going to request that today, processing over here. So with the profit split 90%, it's going to be 13.5. All right, so I'm not sure when it will be sent, but it should be sent within the day. So let's go ahead and go to my journal now. So this is the Tradeify journal that comes with Tradeify, which is really nice. You can see that for the lifetime of this or these accounts, I made $68,000 profit factor 32, and then had around 8 days of winning streak. So you can see the last 3 days, this is the beginning of this month over here, and then last month did pretty well as well. Only 1 losing day. This is when I flipped the days, so that's why you see red. But overall, no losing days in Tradeify so far, which is really nice to see. And then my win percentage should be higher just because I made over my consistency rule on day 1, so I have to lose some of those profit just by open and close, and then to meet my daily profit target. All right, so that is Tradeify. Now, if we go to Trading View, some of the positions for the last couple of days, what I took was more buys than sells recently, just because gold has been pretty bullish. And on these 2 positions, right, it was pretty easy. If you haven't seen my Asian session bullet train video on YouTube, you can go ahead and check that out. Basically around 10:30 to 11:30, there's a reversal. So when I see that reversal coming in, that's where I took a buy over here. So around like 10:30 mark, we see a drop, reversal. We have FEG and breaker block over here, and then that's where I took the buy all the way up to this liquidity zone over here, and then order block over here as well. So that was one of the buys. Another buy was here. I was pretty bullish, so basically when price broke above, market shift and then came back down to FEG, swept the liquidity, and then we took a buy here as well. I'll post it in my Discord group as well. Now yesterday we had NFP, so basically this big drop, I was looking for a pullback and then sell. This was actually 0.618 on the fib, So I took a sell over here, want to pull back before NYSE. Normally we have a pullback drop in New York when news was actually 8:30, I believe. But once news came out, usually there's a pullback, and during 9:30, it normally goes down even further. But because how the market was moving, it actually went down and then continued up. All right, but I took my piece and then I'm good. Basically, it went back. So we had a pullback right into these consolidation area. Swept liquidity, came down, but good thing I got out because it went against me afterwards. So always manage your risk and see profit, take profit. All right. So this is just a quick video on the update for my Tradeify account. And if you want to join my Discord, there is a link below in the description area. And if you want to check out Tradeify, you can take a look at their different accounts over here. The advance and growth, basically you have to pass evals, and then once you pass them, you go into the funded stage, and then that's where you can start making some money. Or if you want to skip the evals altogether, you can go to straight to funded and then get a funded account, hit the profit target, and then withdraw like I have here. Now usually Tradeify is pretty fast, but when I request in off hours, it normally gets released in the AM session in New York time zone. So let's see when this will actually come in. But yeah, that's it. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.